Well, what have we here? Welcome back to my YouTube channel for the Halloween season. I hope y'all are having a great October. I'm enjoying a spooky root beer and turning myself into Oogie Boogie. How much better could an October day get than that? Not much, I'll tell you that. So I'm starting off by priming my lids with my P. Louise base in the shade 0.5. I am going very dramatic for this look. I honestly did not have a clue in the world what I was doing. I just wanted drama and glam and color and glitter. Okay, that's all I ask for in this world. I'm using this palette from Rose Glam Boutique. It's called This Is Halloween. And I'm using the black, and I'm also using the green, so I'm using the shade Jack and the shade Witch from that palette. And I am, like I said, I didn't really know where I was going with this, but I just went to town. I just went crazy with the colors and the pigment. I said, you know what, heck it, let's just go bonkers. So I wanted to do a really smoked out, like green, smoky eye. So I felt like the black against the neon green would be a great contrast to make the green pop out a lot. I'm going in with this Revolution makeup palette. This was from last year when they did their super cute Nightmare Before Christmas collection. I'm using the Jack palette and I'm going in with the shade Oogie, and I'm just using that shade to smoke out the green shade, like the darker green shade, and just give it a transition shade. I am using my P. Louise base once more to create the shape that I want on my lid. I really wanted to do a straight up cut out giant wing liner on the lid basically. I'm using this Toxic Waste eyeliner from Makeup a Murder. Look how cute this is. It's a little set of different liners. These are awesome. They dry down matte. You do not need to apply anything on top of them. They are incredible. This is my first time ever trying it, so I used this lime green shade and I put it on top of the P. Louise base. And then I also put on a Makeup a Murder neon green pigment on top of that, but I probably actually didn't need to do that. I was just playing around and seeing, just seeing how it worked. So I'm going in with this Makeup a Murder pigment. They have every shade of neon pigment you could possibly think of. Every shade of there's just so many colors. You guys can use my discount code Sydney with Makeup a Murder. You should really go check them out if you've never seen them before. They are an amazing spooky brand, and they keep it spooky all year. I'm also using the Makeup a Murder Forensic Evidence liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna kind of like clean up the cutout with it, and then go in with a black shadow and go right up against it and kind of smoke it out, just to make it, one, more black in the crease there, deeper, and then also just to make it look really nice and sharp and clean. I am using my Anastasia liquid liner now just for my lash line and my winged liner. I like this one because my eyes water a lot, and this is like one of the only liquid liners I have found that helps not, it don't get messed up when my eyes get watery. I went ahead and did my base, did the other eye. I added some glitter on accident. Oops, that was an accident. I didn't mean to do that. I'm using my KVD Beauty Anti-Precision liner in my lower lash line and my waterline, buffing that out a lot. And this was the glitter I used. I decided to go ahead and add some more. It's from LA Splash Cosmetics. It's their Wickedly Divine liquid glitter liner and the shade Grindy Low. I'm using my Hauntingly Glamorous palette in collaboration with Alien Cosmetics. I am using this shade Lily, which is like a shimmery green color. I'm putting it in my inner corner, on my brow bone, on my nose, on my cheeks. I'm just going crazy with it. I love to use it as a highlight. It's the most perfect like green highlight. And my palette, it's still available on the Alien Cosmetics website, so go get you one while you can. I'm doing my inner corner point with my Anastasia liquid liner. And then I'm going in with my Rare Beauty mascara, just coating those lashes. And then for falsies today, I'm using these from Hell Bites Beauty. It's in the style Bewitched. I just wanted some really giant, fluffy lashes. Because, look at this eye look. I need giant lashes, you guys. I couldn't do small lashes. That wouldn't go with this. I also tightlined my upper lash line, added a little bit more mascara with the lashes on, and now I'm going in with my Everlasting Lip Liner in Scully from KVD Beauty. And I'm also using a Milani Black Liquid Lipstick. I believe this liquid lipstick is in the shade Leather. I popped on this lime green wig. It's from Leg Avenue, and so is my costume, in case anyone was wondering. After I applied my black lipstick, I just took a skinny black liquid liner. This one's from NYX. It's called Hella Fine. And I just did a couple little stitches and like a more pointed mouth, but I tried not to go too crazy with it. Just a little something, because I wanted this to be more like a glam look opposed to like a painted look, you know? Whatever. I was happy with it. It turned out so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Thank you all for the love you guys gave me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm obsessed with this look. I'm obsessed with this eye look. I felt so cute in this costume. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, I'm trying to get up more tutorials, but Halloween's spilling into November, guys. That's just the truth of it. My Halloween will be in November as well. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you later. Bye!